Hi, it's the for the Oppo A78 5G, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings app and then tap to sounds and vibration. To activate silent mode or to turn it off, we should use the switcher. When the silent mode is activated, we can see that the ringtone and notifications they are muted. Just when the silent mode is turned off, ringtone and notifications they will ring. If you want to activate vibration on ring or vibration on silent, you should use the switchers. Here we could activate and turn off the don't disturb. To change media, ringtone, notifications and alarm sounds volumes, we should slide to the left or to the right side these panels. Here we could change ringtone and notification sound. To activate real sound technology, and in haptics and tones, we could activate and turn off the system haptics. To activate and turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, screenshot sounds, deletion and touch sounds. By this way. Let's go back, and in more section we could switch volume button function by press to the up or down volume button. We could switch media ringtone and we could switch it to change the ringtone volume. Also we could switch default recorder from auto select to add on and to use in-ear monitoring option. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.